In my dissertation, I focus on user authentication, a security mechanism virtually all information technology users are confronted with on a daily basis. A holistic view on user authentication encompasses three entities. The user, accessing, for example, an online service, using the authentication scheme to prove their identity to the verifier of that online service. Thus, the goal of my dissertation was to increase the security of all three of these entities while not impairing usability. To that end, my dissertation firstly outlines how to systematically create effective information security awareness materials for users. Then it presents the first comparative study on shoulder-surfing resistant entry of passwords using constrained input devices. And it finally presents a technique for the secure and efficient storage of passwords in portfolio authentication schemes. I realized that this 1-minute video only gives a very abstract overview of my dissertation, and I'd therefore like to invite everyone to look at the papers my dissertation is based on for the details. Thank you.